Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs on the headlights. To change the H1 bulb on the dipped beams, remove the closing cap on the bodywork side. To take out the bulb, you have to move the lip on the holding spur outwards. Then, remove the bulb.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then, move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back on. To change the H1 full beam bulb, remove the closing cap on top of the headlights. Remove the electricity connection for the light bulb by pulling on the back pod, not on the wires. Lift, then move the holding clip on the bulb and remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then, move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.